Hey there, welcome to my first video in my channel, The Missing Piece. I've been meaning to kickstart this channel for ages. I've been holding and waiting, and I think now is the time. Here I am in my office recording this video so we can just kickstart it and break the ice. This channel is all about you, helping you mastering your craft, motivating you to make your first move, guiding you as you advance in your career or start your business with a simple idea. My aim is to be a valuable resource for you in your journey as you learn and grow in your personal and professional life. The Missing Piece is all about uncovering those missing moments, pieces of information as you learn or implement something new. Those pieces usually left out, unintentionally for sure. I will focus on providing clear, practical advices and information related to business, technology, motivation, self-development, and so on and so forth. This channel is not aiming at one thing, it's aiming at multiple things that are all interconnected and can help you master your craft. Together, we will connect the dots and reveal the bigger picture. So obviously, who I am and why you should care. I have spent the last decade and a half learning and implementing technology and business solutions in multiple industries. I started as an immigrant, no money, language barrier, but worked my way up the ladder, learning a lot of valuable lessons about growth and the importance of people along the way. I've experienced long hours, difficult managers, not that stellar leaders, all of which have shaped my experience, allow me to value my peers, and stand up for my team. If there is any piece of wisdom that I would like you to carry from this video, if you can, is if you have a dream, just start. Do not wait. The best time to start is right now. There is no perfect time. The perfect time is right now. You might think that you want to wait until you accomplish more, until you have more successes, until people know you more, and then you can do a lot of things. Well, that's actually not true. The best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. So just start. So if you have a dream, you want to start something, just do it right now. It might be uncomfortable. I know it's uncomfortable. I'm here talking to you in a camera. Very weird, not used to it. It's uncomfortable, but you have to start. It's the only way that you can make this happen. That's it for now, everyone. I'm excited to start this journey with you. Remember, always ask questions, keep learning, chase your dream, and have a wonderful day.